এই যাস না গেছে ভারতী মাসি গেছে
आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज UNI।
Wellman Finance is a personal finance platform focused on empowering and serving millennials to take a well-informed decision while buying a financial product like home loan, personal loan, business loan, loan against property, credit card, car loan, SME loan, insurance, etc.